Okay, you saw the lesson on electrical interactions in Miss Meyer's classroom. What did you notice? What did you wonder? Perhaps you noticed features of classroom discourse or modeling that you use regularly in your classroom. Perhaps you wondered, the room seems to include mostly fluent English speakers. Is this a good example for diverse, multilingual classrooms? As a teacher of culturally and linguistically diverse students, you are aware of the challenges faced by our emerging bilinguals. I hope that over the course of this 5 units of this e-workshop, we'll address those challenges. But before we dismiss this lesson as inappropriate for emerging bilinguals, let's describe the myriad of opportunities present. If we do nothing else for our bilingual learners, we must maintain the highest possible standards for science learning. And that means we can't neglect the challenge shown here. Whatever we do to increase access to the language of science, we can't lose the rigor of Miss Meyer's classroom. I'd like to point out 4 specific elements, opportunities that we saw in this lesson that illustrate why classrooms dominated by the practices described in the next generation science standards have such potential for your bilingual students.